This drink is called a grenade. It has very simple ingredients. It involves vodka, triple sec, a little bit of grenadine. Nothing to it. We're going to make this in a rocks glass. Add a little bit of ice. We're just pretty much going to pour this straight into the glass. Juice. In this case, instead of the lime juice, we're going to add grenadine. Grenadine is a cherry syrup. And we're just going to drizzle this around in there like that. And I'm going to let it go like that, let the grenadine run down the side. Take a look at that. That's a good looking drink right there. Don't want to mix it up too much because it's all about the presentation. That there is a grenade. Down the hatch.